Welcome to this calming, guided visual meditation. I invite you to find a comfortable space to sit or lie down. When you're ready, close your eyes and take a deep, soothing breath. Let's embark on a journey down a tranquil beach. Imagine you are standing at the edge of the shore, feeling the warm grains of sand beneath your bare feet. Inhale the salty scent of the ocean breeze as it gently caresses your face. Picture the vastness of the ocean stretching out before you, its waves rhythmically kissing the shore. As you start walking, visualize a vibrant scene unfolding around you. Children are playing joyfully, their laughter echoing in the air. Envision their colourful beach toys and the sounds of their excitement as they build sand castles. I invite you to take a deep breath in through your mouth, slowly exhaling. Now take a deep breath through your nose, and as you release, feel the difference in the tension release. Feel the softness of the sand beneath your feet with each step. Let the warmth of the sun above you penetrate your skin, creating a comforting sensation. As you walk, notice the textures of your clothing, whether it's the light fabric of the sundress or the cool touch of swimwear. Embrace your senses of hearing. Listen to the soothing symphony of ocean waves, seagulls flying overhead, and the distant laughter of people enjoying the beach. Allow these sounds to immerse you in the peaceful ambience. Now, let's explore the variety of scents around you. Inhale deeply and catch the aroma of sunscreen, the salty sea air, and perhaps the tantalizing scents of beachside food. Maybe someone is grilling or selling fresh fruits. As you continue your leisurely stroll, absorbing the beauty of your surroundings, feel the sun kissing your skin, providing a gentle warmth. Imagine the sand molding to the shape of your feet, leaving soft imprints with every footstep. Take a deep breath in through your nose and releasing all the tension in your shoulders, your face, your legs. Breathe out slowly through your mouth and repeat this again one more time. In and out. As you walk further, notice the changing colours of the water, from turquoise to deep shades of blue. Picture the sunset dancing on the surface, creating a memorizing play of reflections. Take a moment to sit down by the water's edge, feeling the coolness of the wet sand as the waves reach out to touch your toes. Let this sensation ground you in the present moment. What can you feel? What can you see? What can you smell? Do you taste the salt in the air? In the distance, visualize the sun beginning its descent, casting warm hues across the sky. Absorb the tranquility of this space. Allow a deep sense of peace to wash over you. As you end this guided visual meditation, I want you to repeat after me. I am strong. I am determined. I am full of calmness. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Inhale gratitude for this seen journey, and exhale any lingering tensions. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, feeling refreshed and connected to the space within. Thank you for following along with this guided meditation. I hope that you release all of your tensions and come back tomorrow for another daily guided meditation.